everyone, it's Kim. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to bring you another what I ate today, which I guess you already know from the title of the video. My day consists of going to my day job, and then I'm going to teach a couple of classes over at the WW studio. And not sure what I'm going to get into after that, but stick around. Hopefully I'll have something a little exciting in here for you. So let's see what I'm going to pack in my bag here today for lunch, and I'm going to head on out the door. Okay, for my lunch today, I have my salad made, and I have my chicken to go on top of that. I have my salad dressing, which I've added water to because I don't know about you, sometimes my salad dressing is too thick and I would rather have it go over more of my salad versus be concentrated in one area. And this is the salad dressing that I'm using, 2 SmartPoints for 2 tablespoons. I have a little extra watermelon because, again, I'm going from one job to the other, so I don't have time to really pack anything for dinner or stop for dinner. So I'm going to have a little extra snack there in the afternoon. I have carrots to snack on throughout the day. Peanut butter cookie overnight oats. And a banana to go in that. And I'll try to remember to link the video for that one down below. And the next thing that I'm going to take is, I've been really enjoying this. I have my cold brew coffee, which you guys know I've been talking about a lot lately. And I just posted a new video of a s'mores Frappuccino a couple of days ago. Maybe it was yesterday. Days run together. So I just thought I would go ahead and mix up my iced coffee and show you how I do that. So, I don't know, maybe a 1/3 cup of cold brew in here. And then I have my Jordan Skinny Syrups, the vanilla caramel cream. This is my favorite. And I have this one on automatic order from Amazon so that I don't run out. Sometimes I have to delay the shipment because I really don't need one a month, but I just really don't want to run out, so it's easier for them just to send me an extra one here and there. So I put 2 pumps of this into my cold brew, and then at the end of the day I'm just going to fill that up with ice, and I'm going to add in a half of my Premier Protein caramel flavor. And then I will drink that on my way to the WW studio. So nice little one point protein kick to kind of get me through my day. So that's how I make my iced coffee. It's pretty simple. I mean, it's just a nice, much cheaper than stopping by your local coffee shop is all I'm saying. So again, I'm going to show you how I do my cold brew. I asked in my video yesterday if you guys wanted me to show you how I do that, and I got a lot of yes responses, so I will do that as well here in an upcoming video. And I think that's it. All right, I'm gonna pack up my lunch, I'm gonna get out the door, and I will kind of keep you involved in my day if I can.
Okay, I just want to jump on here real quick and show you, I had forgotten to film my mandarin oranges, that they're just in Splenda water or something, but you have to drain the juice in order to make them 0 SmartPoints. So you see me draining my juice so that I could add it on top of my salad. Okay, just finished teaching my WW workshop, and today's topic was boredom. So what do you do when you're bored, and how much you eat just mindlessly, or
kind of standing in front of that fridge and just looking around trying to figure out what you want when you really don't want anything. So stay tuned for next week. I'm going to cover this topic and you'll see exactly what I told the class today. So with that said, hang tight. We'll see what the rest of my day turns out like. Okay, kind of a late dinner tonight. We ended up having to stop and grab something on the way home. We had a couple of errands to run after I had finished up at the studio. I have a Jersey Mike's sub here for 13 points, and then I have some Cheez-It Snapped, and this whole bag is 3 points, and some cherries. So that'll round out my night. I think that puts me at 25 points. I'll put a picture of my tracker at the end. But we had quite a busy day. By the time I got home from work, we again had to run some errands, and then we had to run by and check on my grandson's tortoises as they're out of town right now. So we ran by there. I'll put a couple pictures here of one of his little tortoises that was running around the cage. And that was about it. It's always nice to have, I know I've talked about this before, if you need to run out and grab something for lunch or dinner, it's always nice to have a go-to. And Jersey Mike's is always one of those that I know I can go and grab something and I'll be totally satisfied with what I have. Also, just a side note, when I was there today, the lady in front of me had ordered a wrap. So I thought, let me check that wrap and see what the points are on the wraps. Apparently somebody wants to come see me. So let me check the points on the wrap to see how many points they are, because it might be another, I'd like it's just a different variation or something different I can try. And he really wants my sub. So I double checked the points on the wrap, and the points on the wrap were higher than the points on the sub, which was kind of crazy. It was only a 1 point difference, but still you would think a wrap would be a little healthier, and totally wasn't. So 14 points for the wrap, 13 points for the sub. Definitely going to enjoy the sub. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap this up so that I can enjoy my dinner and wind down before it gets way later. And I will see you next time. Okay, just in case you were wondering, I almost forgot about this. I have a turkey and provolone. This is actually a number 7 on wheat, and it is the regular, not the mini. I think the mini comes out to be like 7 points, and this one came out to be 13. So I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my dinner.